So now it is time to practice. We got to watch the video for how to deal with our folders and our files and learned a lot of new skills. It's time to get them into action. I've made this public access folder for the class. I'm going to put the link to it so that all of you can reach it and experiment in there with me, and it'll be in the Zoom chat window. If we go ahead and click on it, nothing is there. This is what I'm going to ask the students to do. I'm going to ask you to make a folder. So you come up here to the New button. You start here with folder. Click it. We're going to name it. I'm going to name it Peanut, right? That's my daughter and her hamster. And I've changed my mind. That way you get to practice making the folder and you get to practice renaming. We're going to come up here to the three dots, right? Slide down to rename. And I've decided I want to call it Peanut Hamster. I don't mind what you call your folders. You could do your first name and last initial. You could describe the picture that you're going to put in there. That's what I'm doing. So now that I have made the folder and I've renamed it, I'm going to double click on it. Nothing's inside yet. I'm going to click on New and I'm going to say File Upload. I'm going to choose it from my desktop, and here's the hamster picture. There's a cute hamster. Click on the Open button and we'll watch it upload here in the corner. We'll get a little checkbox when it's done. And now you see that I have this hamster picture inside the shared Google Drive. I asked you guys to go ahead and bring any file. It could be a pet picture. It could be a generic clip art you found on the internet. It doesn't really matter what it is. The point of the exercise is to see how other people are making their folders. We'll take a tour, and at the very end, everybody will get to do this. You'll get to select your folder and hit trash to put it in the trash can. So you get to practice that too. So let's go ahead and practice together.